Hello everyone, my name is Bing Shi and I'm from Harvard University. For our CircularChem Center, I'm leading on Theme 3, Policy, Society and Finance, making a wider impact beyond academic community and generate a stakeholder co-created knowledge is at the heart of Theme 3. On May the 3rd, myself and Professor Wim Betici, both from Harvard University, we have organized and run an online roundtable discussion in which we created discussions around barriers for developing a circular chemical economy ecosystem. We want to have a circular chemical manufacturing system which are not relying on feedstock extracted from fossil fuels and prevent waste escape into the environment, i.e. the perfect circular system. We thank WRAP for inviting a wide range of stakeholders from the WRAP community. Together, we have identified a number of barriers that have stopped businesses and consumers sourcing only from circular or sustainable sources, along with some potential solutions to accelerate the development of a stronger circular chemicals manufacturing ecosystem. So what's next? We would like to continue this conversation by running a face-to-face event in Edinburgh this September to develop a fuller picture. So please do get in touch with us if you want to get involved. Thank you very much.